So, hi everyone, Cindy again, your Chika Chika buddy every Friday. It's Friday because, only Friday we have the chance to have uploads of videos, to record some videos, because that's my day off, Friday. So, first of all, a lot of my friends were asking, especially in my workplace, what is Chika Chika buddy? Well, in Philippines, chika chika means chit chat. So when you say chika chika buddy, means chit chat buddy. Cute, right? Chat. Anyway, last week, no, I opened one box from Hamples. So today, it's another box. So I'm gonna open this one. This is from online shopping. This is not free anymore. Okay, I paid. This one. This is called Mystery Box. I know a lot of you knows Mystery Box already from Amazon. I think it started from US, and then a lot of it's from the parcels that ordered online but was not claimed. So Amazon decided like Mystery Box, parcel box, like that. So when you order online, you will pay some amount, and Mystery Box is created online shopping created for additional excitement. The inside of the box will remain surprising until it will be delivered to you. But for this one, this is just local. The one selling for this is Kabayan. So same in Filipino. The mechanics is or rules for her is just like her page, Mystery Box. Rules for the page is you will just pay 50 dirhams, and then you will not know what she will gonna deliver to you. But one thing is for sure, as this cliche, the things that will be delivered to you will be worth more than 50 dirhams. And aside from that, may English man, hirap ba? And and another, kana siya nga 50 dirhams nimo free shipping, that includes shipping already. So I don't know what's inside of this. I'm gonna open, but of course this one is not from unclaimed parcels. So it's just designed for her online. Actually, for that, it's in Facebook. Actually, I saw it. There's not that much post, but I just DM to that page, no. Then that lady selling, she replied. So I'm gonna open this one with my cuchillo or scissor. Here. So again, I'm in the kitchen because nagbantay ko og niluto. So this is the size of the box. This is just so small, like this. Like this. Careful, warning, careful with the scissors. We're gonna use this like this. So, excitement. Dapat ba ako ma-excite? Kasi sabi niya, what's inside the box will remain surprise and mystery until it will be delivered to you. So, hopefully, responsive. That page was responsive. It was good. Yeah. Very responsive. So, here, I just paid 50 dirhams. I paid through online, through bank account. So, I transferred 50 dirhams, and then after 2 to 3 working days, it will be delivered to you. So, this is the size of the box. This one. But, it's kind of heavy. That's why I'm excited also to open here. So, we'll start. Wait. Hayag kaya akong likod, no? Marajud ko, kuhaon sa langit. Anyway, wala. Open na to ni. Careful sa mga maggamit og scissors. You have to be very, very careful. So, ito na nga guys, na-open na siya. And, tada! Okay. Naka-excite. But anyway, let's open this one. First, ito. Dryer sa hair. May ligo pa. Open natin. Cute naman. Pink. Tcharam! Cute, cute. Nice, nice. Bango-bango. And, oh, this one. That's why it's heavy, because there is very, very big lotion. Cosmo. Wait, Cosmo is very good. Nakatry ko, but the green one. I've tried the green one and that violet one, that purple. Yung lavender, na-try ko na yon. Pero ito, first time. So, yan. Worth it though. I think this one will cost here in Dubai like 6 dirham, 5 dirham. We'll see if this is more than 50 dirham. This one is like 5, 6. Sabihin na natin 5, 6 siya dahil. Tapos ito, siguro mga 20. Kasi malaki. Ano siya? 1,000 ml. Oh. So maybe it's around like 20 dirhams like that. So 20 plus 6, 26. So half of the 50 dirhams I paid already got the amounts. And another one. Another big one. That's why it's gonna so heavy. It's so heavy. It's Head and Shoulders dye. Malaki siya. 400 ml. Iron. So 400 ml, maybe around 6. Yeah, 6. So 20 plus 6, 26. Plus 6, 32. Tama ba? Ano ba ne? Math. Ayoko. And so 26, 32 na siya. And naa siya mga pag-girly thing. Nakita na ako na sa mga TikTok, sa ano. I think this is called scrunches. Parang ipit sa buhok. Like this. Maybe this one will only cost me 1 dirham, 2 dirham. Oh. Like this. So 32 plus 2 dirham, let's say 34 dirhams. And then keychain. Handcraft keychain. Ano siya? Cut siya and handcraft. So, this maybe around, pila man to siya? 20 dirham, 6 dirham, 32, 34. Let's just say 6 dirham. So, close to 40 dirhams. And, there's still 2. Actually, this one sold in my nearest supermarket. Nearest stores here is like, I think 5 pieces, 10 dirhams. So 10 dirhams divide 5 is like 2 dirhams each. So she give me 2, it's like 4 dirhams. So 44. Total 44. And another one. Ito siya dye. It's called, kita ba? Oh. Yan siya. Okay, duot na ako siya. Siya di pa siya makita. Whiteness. Sheep placenta cream whiteness. Uy, galing siya sa animals. Open na to na eh. Okay. Ano ka ngayon? Nice, right? I think pwede siya. It could be used as foundation, base, like mag-makeup. So, I'm gonna use it at work, actually. But I don't know. First, usually kasi, if new product, di ko muna siya ginagamit for my face. Because, natatakot din tayo dahil makamasunog tayo dahil for only that much. Gagastos tayo sa mukha natin. Alam mo naman yung mukha ko dahil medyo sayang din to. Charot! Ito siya. Oh. So, siguro around 50 na din. And, another cream. Lavage. Ano ba yan? This one. I don't know if This, you're familiar for this one. Yeah, Lovage. What is Lovage? Citronation Body Cream. Dahil 50 gram, 50 ml. Body cream, yeah. Pwede na ko siya gamiton eh. Gamit na ako siya. Eh, gusto kong moisture lang din siya. Nice, nice. Approve. So, I think, worth iya 50 dirhams. Worth ang 50 dirhams kayo mong ginabayad sa iya, ha. So, no need to download. Just search lang sa Facebook, Mystery Box. Ang kulay sa iyang profile is kulay pink. Yan, kabayan ang nagbaligyan niya. Responsive. Wala kayo sila yung mga post sa ilang page, but, you know, imo siyang i-DM. Ang ilang ginabuhat is, you will pay 50 dirhams, and that 50 dirhams will be, you know, worth everything. I think more than 50 dirhams already. Worth naman siya. So, for me, it's approved. This page. So, like and follow sa iya, ha. Ang name dahil sa, I think name niya is Stella something. Stella. The name of that owner of that mystery box. So, i-promote na ko siya. Ano man. I-promote na ko siya. It's because, okay siya. Nice. Okay. So, next week, I don't know if dami ko ng order dahil. Gastos na kaayo ko. Anyway, sige lang. Let's see. Another one we will order. And, holing. Makita nato na siya. Bro, kuhaon din sa langit sa akong likod sa bintana. Anyway, sige. Thank you for always being with me every Friday. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. And I'm a new vlogger. Kantahay. So, this is your Cindy, your Chika Buddy, saying thank you, mabuhay, and goodbye. Until next time.